digger will save her. Look, my doll. Oh no, she's drowning in the water. I'll get her now. Easy, easy. Almost there. Here you go. Oh, my dear, you're back. Thank you, baby. Your digger is a superhero. Yeah, I know. My buddy is always a superhero. This pit is not getting any bigger. Oh, my apple plant. I can't do it anymore. Johnny, you look so tired. Do you need any help? Huh? Help? Don't be funny. Even I can't do this. Maybe, but he can. Move, move! Look, it's so easy for him. Whoa, it worked! Baby, your buddy is so cool. Next, I need to get the water. Here comes the water. He can do anything. Wow, thank you, baby. Your digger is a big help for me. Call me if you need any help with my digger. Bye-bye. Yay! I'm so excited to fly my kite! Oh, baby, fly it higher. It's not going up. Okay. Oh, it's not flying. Ah! Oh no! Again? Woohoo! Wow! It's flying! I'm so tired. I can't do it. Oh, my kite! Baby, look! The rain is coming! Let's go inside! Oh, it was a fine kite. Now it's gone. Johnny, don't be sad. You can take mine, and let's play together. Huh? But look, it's still raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, baby! The rain is getting heavier. We should get inside to play. No, no, this. I'll fly the kite. Wow! Yeah! It's flying! I'm coming! Who's that? Huh? Oh, a gift box! Where is it from? Grandpa and Grandma are sending you a very special gift. Oh, Grandpa and Grandma sent us a gift. Here. Bingo. I'm so bored. He's not playing with me. Guys, come over here. Look what I got. What is it, Johnny? It's from Grandpa and Grandma. It will be something very special. Huh? Then I will open it.